A very good morning to all. I am Sidhu Vidinoli, third year BCom from Government Degree College, Tolu. Our project title is Effective Strategies for Improving Writing Skills to Undergraduate Students. Writing is an important skill for the academic growth, but most of the students in college lack particularly in writing skills. This project tells the importance and focus on writing skills and how we can improve the writing skills of college students. The purpose of this project is to provide research based on techniques in improving successful writing skills of English as a second language students in undergraduate level. Next, my friend will continue.
As objective of this project. By doing this project, students will know the importance of writing skill. To know how to write brief paragraph, essay and journals, students will know the signification of writing skills to achieve high-level academic success. Through the developing writing skill, the students eventually increase their communication skill. As well, by improving writing skill, the students can increase their knowledge, creativity, imagination and ultimately improve their memory. Encouraging the students to writing with free of mistakes by developing the writing skills. Next, my friend will continue.
Becoming a proficient writer of English is a problem for many English as a second language students, as they believe that they simply cannot write English. Our project focused on some strategies or activities to improve writing skills in English as a second language students. These are some strategies. For example, technology. Using eGenerals, much like a composition notebook, gives students a safe venue for expressing their ideas without having to worry about handwriting or spelling mistakes. This technique hones their vocabulary skills and gives them an opportunity to receive feedback from an instructor. Another method among many is using online discussion boards. With this approach, students can communicate with one another, so they receive peer feedback and practice conversational skills. Peer feedback is one of the most important influential method of becoming a proficient writer of English. Then my friend will continue the project.
Free writing. It is an activity where students are given only some of the passage, giving them the first part of the passage and asking them to guess and write how it ends. As they said, the end of the passage and guess and write how it begins. Simultaneously, improve to high grade the level of students' skill on writing. Lineal writing. Correspondence journals are safe place for second language students to write, and it also gives them an opportunity to practice conventions such as punctuations, calculations and grammar. Furthermore, it is an place for powerful reflections free of peer criticism and rich with freedom of expression. Next, my friend will conclude this program.
In order to improve writing skills of English, this project brings out a variety of learning opportunities for improving writing skills, especially for undergraduate students. This project provides an optimum learning environment and thus it makes the learning and